Hey guys, welcome back to Python Ninja Bootcamp. In this lecture, we'll cover decorators. Let's get started. Decorator is a function that takes another function as an argument, adds some functionality, and then returns the another function. Let's see the general syntax for decorators in Python. So here we have @ and the name of the decorator. Students are hereby requested to download the file of this lecture from the description given below. Now let's go ahead and see a simple example to understand how decorator works. Let's consider a scenario where I want to add hi message at the beginning of each module. So in order to achieve this functionality, I'm gonna create a function within a function first. Let's say def decorator function and pass original function as a function parameter. Now create another function, let's say def wrapper function. Within wrapper function, print a message hi and call original function. Outside it, return wrapper function. Let's create another function. So I'm gonna say def first message function colon. Within first message function, print a message, welcome to Python Ninja Bootcamp. Now I want to add this decorator function to the first message function. So I'm going to say @ and the name of the decorator, that is decorator function above the first message function. Now run this shell and call the first message function. If you check out the output now, it will add hi message from the decorator function and welcome to Python Ninja Bootcamp from the first message function.
Mayank sir, could you please elaborate decorators example for one more time?
Okay Tamta, let's understand what's happening here. Here when we execute this shell, it passes first message function as a parameter to the decorator function. Now the original function variable become equal to first message function. Within wrapper function, the print message hi is executed and original function is called. This original function is equal to first message function. You can interpret this line of code as print hi is executing before first message function. After that, the decorator function returns the wrapper function that is waiting to be executed. The execution is completed here when the first message function is called and it displays the output as hi, welcome to Python Ninja Bootcamp. We could understand from here that decorator function is adding hi functionality to the display function. This example is very basic to understand the basic working of decorator. So students are requested to go through this example for one more time. Now let's use this decorator function again to add the functionality in the another function. So I'm going to say @ decorator function, then create a different function, let's say def second message, and within it print a message. In this lecture we'll cover decorator. Run the shell and then call the second message function. It will add hi functionality from the decorator to the second message function. Now let's see another important example to understand how to pass parameter inside the decorators. So I'm gonna create the decorator function first and then I will create the sum function having two parameters. Now let's create a decorator function. So I'm gonna say def decorator function, pass original function as a parameter. Within decorator function, create a wrapper function. Let's say def wrapper function, pass two parameter a, b. Within wrapper function, call the original function and pass the two parameter a and b and then print a message. Code ends here. Outside it, return wrapper function. Now let's create the sum function. So I'm gonna say def sum function a, b as a parameter. Within sum function, print a message sum of a and b equal to after comma a plus b. Now to add this decorator function to the sum function, I'm gonna say @ and the name of decorator, that is decorator function above sum function. Now run the shell and call sum function with the parameter 2, 5. If you check out the output now, it will return sum of a and b equal to 7 from sum function and code ends here from decorator function. That's all about decorators. See you in the next lecture. Students, subscribe करें SN Gurukul channel को. Press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial. Comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Next video में हम cover करेंगे map. Till then, practice and thank you for watching.